We're going to show you how to invert colors on your iPhone. This feature is great for those who need better contrast or just want to try out a different look for their display. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app, which looks like a gear icon. Tap to open it. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This will open a menu with various options to customize your device's usability. Within the Accessibility menu, find and tap on Display and Text Size. This section contains settings related to your display and text. In the Display and Text Size menu, you'll see an option for Smart Invert. Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display, except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. Tap the toggle switch next to Smart Invert to enable it. The switch should turn green, indicating that the Smart Invert is on. If you prefer to invert all colors, including images and media, scroll down a bit further and find the Classic Invert option. Tap the toggle switch next to Classic Invert to enable it. The switch should turn green, indicating that Classic Invert is on. Exit the Settings app and check your display to see the changes. The colors should now be inverted according to the option you selected. And that's it. You've successfully inverted colors on your iPhone. This feature can help with visibility and make your screen easier to read in certain situations. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.